Back in July, a team of researchers made a remarkable discovery. They demonstrated that ChatGPT, a powerful language model, could design a simple, manufacturable microchip from scratch in under 100 minutes. What's even more astonishing is that the instructions given to ChatGPT were in plain English, emphasizing its potential in bridging the gap between human instructions and AI execution. Fast forward to last month, another group of researchers, hailing from universities in China and the United States, decided to push the boundaries even further. They aimed to automate the creative process by relying on a team of ChatGPT 3.5 powered bots. Each of these AI agents assumed distinct roles within a virtual software agency, including CEO, CTO, CPO, programmer, code reviewer, code tester, and graphics designer. The bots were briefed about their roles, communication protocols, and constraints. Remarkably, ChatDev's AI team had to devise their own solutions, select programming languages, design interfaces, test outputs, and make necessary corrections. This approach marked a significant departure from the typical interaction of humans and AI. One intriguing aspect of this experiment was the exclusion of the CEO bot from the technical aspects of the process. Its role was to provide initial input and deliver summaries, allowing the technical experts and designers to work undisturbed. This concept of AI-powered CEOs who don't interfere until necessary could potentially minimize conflicts in the real world. The team fed their virtual workforce with specific software development tasks to measure their performance in terms of accuracy and completion time. The bots followed a well-established waterfall development model, with responsibilities divided into designing, coding, testing, and documentation, much like a conventional software development team. The results were astonishing. Over 86% of the code produced was executed flawlessly. The remaining 14% encountered challenges due to external dependencies and limitations of ChatGPT's API, not due to the methodology itself. The longest task took just over 17 minutes, with an average completion time of 6 minutes and 49 seconds across all tasks. What's truly remarkable is the time and cost savings this approach offers. On average, the development of small-sized software and interfaces took less than 7 minutes. In comparison, traditional custom software development cycles, even within agile methods, often require weeks or months per cycle. The cost of running each cycle with AI? Just $1, even when accounting for human input and setup. This is a game changer in terms of efficiency and cost-effectiveness. However, it's important to note that even though the bots produced functional output, it wasn't always precisely what was expected. Additionally, AI may exhibit biases, and different settings can drastically change output quality. For now, it seems that human-AI cooperation is on the rise, rather than outright replacement. Nevertheless, it's difficult to ignore the potential for AI to become increasingly autonomous in the future, with humans primarily setting goals for AI to achieve, while the mastery of programming languages might become akin to learning Latin. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.